Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have this lovely Triumph Street Triple 765 RS. It's a 2019 on a 19 plate and it's on 3,225 miles from new. These are a super high spec. They come with a quick shifter. This one's got the factory heated grips fitted to it. It's got the Triumph crash protection. It's got a tail tidy on there. They come with a full colour TFT display with 5 rider modes on there. Really high spec bikes. Come with the Brembo monobloc brakes, and they also come with Ohlins rear suspension as well, so really good suspension and brakes, and just an awesome bike overall. If you do fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.